Hey everybody, it's me, Greg Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, September 3rd, 2015. All right, people, so what's going on? A lot of things, but I want to bring your attention to something that I came across just last night that literally blew my mind. There's a lot of talk out here from not just me, but some pretty lofty people. In fact, we just heard from Nobel Prize winning economist Robert Shiller, who is talking about stock valuations being excessively high according to his own index. And he's expecting stocks to take quite a fall and soon. And this plays into exactly what I've been talking about recently here on this blog and on my Seeking Alpha blog. Now, last night, I came across a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I was analyzing this particular chart specifically since 2009. That is when the Federal Reserve got in with their quantitative easing program to help prop up this market. And we understand all this has done is inflate a massive and very dangerous bubble in debt that has pulled the stock market with it, and it is going to be a day of reckoning, and it may be very, very close. Before I get to that chart, which I'm going to place a link to in the description of this video and the comment section, um, there's a lot of theories out here with regard to what may happen with regard to the stock market and everything else. Now, if you recall, if you follow this blog, I went over a concept called the Dow theory. Back in May, I just had a big talk about it. I spoke about a divergence between what the stock market was doing and the Dow transports, and that's how I was able to call the top of this market at that time. Now, this theory, this new theory that I have come across here, actually, I've spoken about this before, but I mean new as it pertaining to a particular pattern that we are seeing right now. And the stock market, the action that we've seen over the past 2 days, plays right into it. Yesterday, we had a gain in this market of 300 points. Today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up about 75 points. This is doing exactly what it should be doing and is validating the Elliott wave principle. And that's what I'm here to talk about today, and what that chart will show you, and you could reflect on it, because it appears that we are very close to the last leg in this sequence. It's called a C wave, and that is a massive move downward. And again, taking all the data, what we have been looking at, and you hear people talking about it like Robert Shiller, like former Fed chairperson Alan Greenspan, speaking about a debt bubble, how the debt market is unstable. All this plays together. And there's a lot of people out here trying to nail down the date of when this is going to happen. I'm trying my best to keep all of you out there, all of my followers, tens of thousands all over the world, on top of this to the best of my ability. So with that said, I'm going to keep this video kind of short, and I'm going to, again, place a link in the description of this video and in the comment section to the article that I wrote just last night. It'll take you 5 minutes to read it. There's an amazing chart there which clearly outlines this Elliott wave pattern, and I believe right now we are in the B sequence of the corrective phase, and the next leg, C, that's the one we need to keep our eye on, and it looks like it could be weeks away. And this plays into, again, another video I had done recently and an article on Seeking Alpha, where I said a major stock market crash could just be weeks away. Now look, none of this is obviously 100% written in stone, but what we're trying to do is best gauge what most likely will happen so we can protect ourselves, and as traders, how we can take advantage of it. Look, I'm a businessman. A lot of people hate to hear when I say things like that, and I do not understand it. This is what I do. It's part of what I do. I do a lot of things. But this is opportunity, people, and I'm trying my hardest to get this out there, and let all of you understand from these perspectives what you can expect. Anyway, before I go off on a tangent, please take 5 minutes. If you've gotten through this video, You need to see this. There's a link right down here in the description of this video and in the comment section. The title of the article is this. The stock market, is this the last hurrah? If you find that article interesting, I'm going to urge you to comment there and please share it. Share this video. Let's get this out there, people. We are at that moment I think we've all been talking about for a very long time. So many pieces of this puzzle seem to be coming together right now, and I really think that we need to pay attention. And for those that are not paying attention, they must be in La La Land or something. Unfortunately, that's most people. Anyway, that's it. I will see you soon. Check out that article. Comment here. I'm counting on you. I'm also counting on you to spread this around. I'm going to read the comments here. Let's get this out there, people. If you're part of my team, let's do this. Let our voices be heard. I'll see you soon.